हेलो हाय नमस्कार जय जगन्नाथ। आज एक ऐसा स्पेशल दिन है तो कुछ खास होने वाला है। चलिए मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ। मेरे पीछे है आज चीज केक फैक्ट्री। यहाँ आज एक बड़ा सा सेलिब्रेशन होने वाला है। तो चलिए आगे क्या होने वाला है आपको बताता हूँ पूरा वीडियो में।
Hi, good morning. My name is Jackson, one of the duty manager in Cheesecake Factory. Today we're celebrating our 13th anniversary. It's like a privilege for us to work in Cheesecake Factory and how much we have fun in the restaurant. You know what? I have no words but to say, but again, congratulations to our team and Cheesecake rocks.
अंदर का माहौल पूरा अलग हो चुका है। चलिए एंजॉय करते हैं। अभी सारे पार्टी करने के लिए तैयार हैं।
Welcome to Cheesecake Gala. I hope you guys have an amazing 13 years experience. Let's enjoy this time, make memories, have fun.
Hi guys, good morning. Today is a special day for Cheesecake Factory Dubai Mall. We are celebrating our 30th anniversary. Our staffs are excited to celebrate and the foods are ready. DJ is waiting. So wish you all the best. Let's rock the party.
എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. എൻ്റെ പേര് ശ്രീരാജ്. നമ്മളെ ചീസ് കേക്ക് ഫാക്ടറി ദുബായ് മാളിൽ നിന്ന് നമ്മുടെ 30th ആനിവേഴ്സറി ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഇന്ന് അടിച്ച് പൊളിക്കാൻ പോവാണ്. സീ യു ഗൈസ്, ലവ് യു.
Hi, good morning, guys. As we get together to celebrate our 13-year anniversary, so let's enjoy this celebration and let's have a fun and
2, 3.
enjoy. That's it.
හැමෝටම සුබ උදෑසනක්. අපි අද සෙලිබ්‍රේට් කරන්නේ අවුරුදු 13ක් අපේ චීස්කේක් ෆැක්ටරිය. හැමෝම එන්ජොයි කරන්න. Thank you.
For the last 13 years, going through all the troubles, headaches, and everything that is done. You are all with the company, so again, it's a phenomenal job. Partner, a great man with a lot of education, knowledge, skills. Here what it is, right? So a big round of applause for our PTM chef, Mr. Mark.
आज का पार्टी का माहौल आप देख चुके हैं। पार्टी खत्म हो चुका है, सारे लोग एंजॉयमेंट करके थक चुके हैं। चलिए आगे कुछ बताएंगे, तब तक आप सब्सक्राइब कीजिए संजय कुमार साहब ब्लॉग को। फिर मिलेंगे एक नया ब्लॉग के साथ। जय जगन्नाथ।
It's a great privilege to work with the Cheesecake Factory. Since last 13 years, we've been here. We're the one who opened this in the Middle East first. So we are really glad as a team member, work with a lot of American peoples, American managers, and the other peoples also. It's a great experience to being here from last 13 years. Thank you. First day when we started here, it feels like totally different and difficult because it was a huge people, around like 300 staff members, lot of British from the US, and they just want us to be perfect like them, and it was really difficult. But we started and then we get it and we became like this now. Last 13 years, been like a pioneer. Very good experience. Thank you very much. Cheesecake rocks.
When I came here, it was totally new. We are so excited, but we don't know anything. Even the restaurant wasn't open. So it was so grateful to work in Cheesecake Factory since 13 years. I'm so happy. I want to thank for everyone, all the management team, all the managers, all my colleagues. So now today is the 13th anniversary. So happy 13th anniversary of Cheesecake Factory. So happy to work with the Cheesecake since 13 years. Thank you very much.
Before 13 years back, it was amazing day. It was first time in my Dubai. So I started before 13 years. Still I'm here. I'm proud, so proud for Cheesecake Factory. It's a very pleasure for me to work with this big company, such a big organization, the Cheesecake Factory. Okay, this is my baby. Since day one, same energy until now, 30 years, we just complete. It's really amazing, the fantastic environment, the working environment with the different nationalities, like different cultures. And then we serve like more than millions, I think the billions people, in a 13 years careers, And first of all, like, I really thank to Alsaya company. And then I also like to thank our David Overton. We start this company and then they bring the journey in the Middle East, and a lot of people are enjoying it, and the guests are really happy here. They like to, we have still in 13 years, still there is a lot of regular guests since day one, like Mr. Burrito. Okay, he's still coming, but he's now very thin. We're gonna meet him soon. He's visiting us soon. He was like, let me tell you about his story. Okay, Mr. Burrito, he always come over here. He always eat burrito, but unfortunately we don't have burrito right now. And then he changed his food because he lose his weight. Okay, his name is Mr. Abdul Muhammad. He's from the Egypt, and he live in Dubai for since long time.
It was really excited to join in Cheesecake Factory at 2012. It was a huge management with the different nationalities. It was very new environment for me, but slowly I adapted, and I learned so many things in the Cheesecake Factory. It was very nice to work and very nice opportunity to work with a nice management. And it's been 13 years. It's such amazing, and I really enjoy it, and I want to enjoy more as well.
I have been working since 13 years, like pre-opening in Cheesecake Factory Dubai Mall. It was very wonderful journey with the Cheesecake Factory and with my all family during the workings as a manager. My colleagues, they are all amazing and helpful, honestly, and all the time supporting each other. So that means it was a very grateful and wonderful journey till now. Thank you very much to Cheesecake Factory Dubai Mall.